मंच पर उपस्थित दिल्ली की जल मंत्री आतिशी जी, जिन्होंने एक बहुत बड़ा कठिन फैसला लेकर यहां पर अनशन पे बैठी हैं। आज दूसरा दिन है अनशन का। हमारे मार्गदर्शक और वरिष्ठ सांसद संजय सिंह जी और मंच पर उपस्थित सीपीआई के तमाम वरिष्ठ नेतागण, डी राजा जी, all the respected leaders from CPI who have joined us today, आप सबका यहाँ पे स्वागत है। हमारे तमाम जितने नेता हैं, पार्षद हैं, एमएलएज हैं, कार्यकर्ता हैं, आप सबको मेरा प्रणाम, मेरा नमस्कार। मैं पहले के कुछ मिनट इंग्लिश में कुछ चीजें रखना चाहूंगा, उसके बाद हिंदी में भी बोल दूंगा। सर, Delhi has never witnessed, Delhi or any part of India has never witnessed politics in the time of crisis. India has seen many crises, natural disasters, earthquakes, floods, water crisis, drought. But at every such time of crisis, states have helped each other. The central government has stood with the people of any part of the country. If there are floods in Assam, center announces relief. Delhi government announces relief. Other governments across India announce relief. Nobody plays politics at the time of disaster. Today, the situation, politics has fallen to such a low level because of Prime Minister Modi and BJP, that when people of Delhi are thirsty, 100 million gallons per day of water has been stopped by BJP's Haryana government, which is equivalent to 28 lakhs people daily requirement of water. When this water has been stopped, what is the BJP doing? They are not talking to their Haryana government. All the BJP people in Delhi, all their 7 members of parliament, entire central government, entire Haryana government is looking the other way. People across NCR and northern India are dying because of the heat wave. At this time of crisis, denying somebody's rightful share of water is tantamount to taking their life. And this is exactly what BJP has fallen down to. Delhi government's authorized share, legal share of water is 1005 MGD. This is very important to understand. In 1994, there was an MOU of the Upper Yamuna River Board, jinme ye sare states, all the North India states are part of it. As per that, 1005 MGD was allocated to Delhi. Now, this is another very shocking fact. This share of Delhi was allocated in 1994, when the population of Delhi was 1.1 crore. Today, Delhi's population is 3 crore, but the share is still 1005 MGD. For many years, Delhi government has been agitating to increase the share and the allocation of water, but the center has not supported it. BJP's Haryana government has opposed it. But today, what is the reality? Today's reality is that this 1005 MGD, which is Delhi share of water, is not even, that entire share also is being stopped. Day before yesterday, Delhi received, I'm talking about supply into Delhi. Delhi received 888 MGD, which is lowest in the history of Delhi. Lowest in the history of Delhi. 117 MGD less water was supplied to Delhi yesterday. Today, 110 MGD less water has been supplied to Delhi again today. So every single day for the last 2 weeks, we have to understand why has Delhi's water minister sat down on an unprecedented and indefinite fast. And the reason is BJP's Haryana government has stopped 100 MGD of water supply. Many times when we raise this issue, the people of BJP say, but what are you doing? You have the government within Delhi, what are you doing? Water cannot be produced out of air. If you provide water to Delhi full 1005 MGD, then it is our responsibility to make sure nobody in Delhi is living thirsty. Everybody gets their due share of water. Sir, I must tell you, over the last 8 years, historic efforts have been taken by the Delhi Jal Board and the Delhi government to make sure that water supply in Delhi is improved. Over the last 8 years, 3,500 kilometers of leaked and damaged water pipelines have been replaced by Delhi government. It has never happened in the history of Delhi that 3,500 kilometers of old pipelines are replaced. Earlier, before our government, only 900 unauthorized colonies had piped water supply. वहाँ पे water की pipeline ही नहीं थी. Today, 1,750 unauthorized colonies have piped water supply. Total 7,500 kilometers of new water pipelines have been laid by Delhi government. तो कुल कितना हुआ? 7,500, 7,500 kilometers new pipelines have been laid. 3,500 pipelines, kilometers of old pipelines have been replaced. In total, 11,000 kilometers of pipelines have been laid by Delhi government. This has never happened. Another important measure that Delhi government has taken, more than 3,000 bulk water meters, bulk flow meters have been installed throughout our supply network. A very modern real-time monitoring system called SCADA has been installed. Every minute we have a report कि अगर दिल्ली के अंदर water has come 1,005 MGD, how it is going. Where if at all there is leakage happening, the water flow meter tells us real-time report. So our people are going there and arresting the water leakage. In the last 6 months alone, 2,000 water leakages have been plugged by Delhi Jal Board. So this entire narrative that BJP is trying to say, that the shortage in Delhi is because Delhi government is not managing water, is a complete lie. It is a complete bogus. And you yourself can think, sir, if Delhi had such a problem of water distribution, why is there a shortage of water only in the last 20 days? This water shortage should have been there forever. 2 महीने पहले, 3 महीने पहले पानी की कोई समस्या नहीं थी दिल्ली में. पानी सबके घर पहुंच रहा था. BJP says another bogus lie. It says there is private tanker mafia in Delhi. So what happened 1 month back? Why is water reaching every household 1 month back? But today suddenly, because you have stopped supplying water to Delhi, Haryana government has stopped 100 MGD of water supply to Delhi, they have no answer. And that is why they are spreading these lies. Delhi government over the last 1 month, ever since this crisis has arisen, there is a reason to understand why is Delhi's water minister sitting on fast. In the last 1 month, all possible efforts have been taken by the Delhi government to avert this crisis, to avert this situation. First and foremost, we spoke to the Haryana government officials. 2 or 3 rounds of meetings happened at the official level. The government of Haryana officials in the last meeting, which was held on 19th of June, our delegation went to Chandigarh. Delhi Water Jal Board officials went to Chandigarh, met Haryana officials. They say we have water, but we have been told not to supply. ये reality है. They were telling that please don't quote us. So I will not take name of any official. But they have clearly admitted that water is there. Today if you go to Hatnikund Barrage in Haryana, you will see tremendous, there is a lot of water. But the gates towards Delhi are blocked. Not a single gate has been opened. And that is the reason in Wazirabad Barrage, if you come, you will see there is an island in the middle of the water body. There is hardly any water that is reaching Delhi. So this is clear, straightforward politics. So Haryana government did not agree. The water minister wrote after that to the Haryana chief minister, Naib Singh Saini. No response. A delegation of our MLAs led by Mr. Dilip Pandey, who's here, they went to meet the union water minister. They didn't even give an appointment. This is the reality. And after that, we even went to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court admitted, yes, there is a water crisis in Delhi. Yes, Delhi needs to be supplied more water. And it left to the Upper Yamuna River Board to convene an urgent meeting and give Delhi more water. But what is this Upper Yamuna River Board doing? We have to understand, Upper Yamuna River Board is under the Ministry of Jal Shakti. It is a central government department. They have been only doing, sir, meetings after meetings after meetings. 4 or 5 meetings have been held, no decision, no supply of additional water to Delhi. And finally, after that, our water minister took the decision to write to the Prime Minister on 19th of June and requested with folded hands that we are not interested in politics. We are not interested in blame game. You take the complete credit of providing water, but please do not let the people of Delhi die because of water. What does the Prime Minister do? No response. Prime Minister doesn't seem to be bothered even about responding to the letter of the Water Minister of Delhi at this time of crisis. So this is the situation, this is the circumstance under which the Delhi Water Minister had to decide to take this unprecedented step. It is her solidarity and her pain for the people of Delhi that has pushed her towards taking this step. मैं तमाम आम आदमी पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं और नेताओं की तरफ से डी राजा जी का धन्यवाद करता हूं और उनसे ये रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं सर, ये आवाज आप जो समस्या है दिल्ली की हर प्लेटफॉर्म पर बुलंद कीजिए। आपकी आवाज सब लोग सुनते हैं और जरूर ये दिल्ली का मुद्दा नहीं है, देश का मुद्दा है। आज ये अगर दिल्ली के साथ हो रहा है तो पानी के ऊपर राजनीति देश के किसी भी प्रांत में हो सकती है। तो आज पूरे देश को खड़ा होना होगा, मोदी जी से पूछना होगा कि मोदी जी, लोकसभा चुनाव में देश के कई प्रदेशों ने आपकी इस नेगेटिव पॉलिटिक्स के कारण आपको नकारा। उत्तर प्रदेश ने आपको नकारा, वेस्ट बंगाल ने आपको नकारा, हरियाणा ने आपको नकारा, राजस्थान ने नकारा, कर्नाटक ने नकारा, महाराष्ट्र ने नकारा, लेकिन दिल्ली के लोगों ने मोदी जी का फिर भी समर्थन किया। क्या कहा दिल्ली के लोगों ने मोदी जी को? कहा कि हम आपको एक मौका और देते हैं, आप दिल्ली के लिए कुछ काम कीजिए। लेकिन मोदी जी ने क्या किया? हाउ डिड ही रिस्पॉन्ड टू दिस सपोर्ट फ्रॉम द पीपल ऑफ दिल्ली? 24 घंटे के अंदर 4 जून को रिजल्ट आए। Delhi Jal Board records show this, sir. Until 4th of June, the total production of water in Delhi was 1005 mgd. This issue has arisen in the last 3 weeks, 20 days. 5 जून से दिल्ली का पानी का लेवल कटना शुरू हो गया। Within 24 hours of results of लोकसभा इलेक्शन, मोदी जी ने दिल्ली का पानी रोकना शुरू कर दिया। यह है इनकी गंदी राजनीति। आज दिल्ली के हर जन को, देश के हर जन को आतिशी के साथ खड़ा होना चाहिए। सब खड़े हो रहे हैं और हम उम्मीद रखते हैं कि ये आवाज हर कोने कोने तक जाए और इस सिचुएशन का समाधान मिले। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।